We've got coverage for you all morning long on the trade. Nationally known attorney and certified NFLPA agent John Phillips is here in the studio this morning. He's going to talk about the details surrounding the trade debate from yesterday. But first, let's go out to Everbank Field. That's where no...
All right, the big question, why the back and forth negotiations yesterday before the final word that Tebow would indeed go to the Jets? Attorney and certified NFLPA agent John Phillips, local guy, joins us right now to break it all down. What exactly was at play here?
Essentially, what Tebow had is a signing bonus in 2010, and then he got a $6.275 million advance on his salary as of the beginning of 2011, which paid for all of his 2012 salary, 2013, and part of 2014 of an overall $9 to $10 million contract. And so the Jets weren't sure what part of that tab they were picking up, and Denver all along said, no, you're getting him 12, 13, and 14. You're going to pay all of that. And so that was the $5 million at issue.
How do they not know?
Yeah, they had to know. Yeah, I think it was just some lost in translation as to, you know, what kind of deal can we get of that $5 million. They wound up paying 2.5, which is a steal. Plus they got draft picks, and that's a great deal for Tim Tebow, even if you're going to set him on the bench.
Yeah. What about the Jaguars and all this then?
They supposedly were willing to pay, you know, upwards of 3 to 4. But they were, you know, according to the rumors out there, they weren't all warm and fuzzy, and there was some, you know, miscommunication about you know, how things were going to go down and what draft picks to offer, and you know, you've got Blaine Gabbert, and that's their guy, and so it was somewhat controversial with, you know, what do we do?
Now, you've dealt with front office personnel with some of your people that you represent. Is this an infighting thing with the Jaguars?
I hate to say that it is. You know, you do have a new administration, but I think it was just the polarization of what Tebow does. Yes, he puts a lot of fans in seats, but he creates a quarterback controversy, and then the media storm that surrounds him, because no matter what, as soon as Blaine had a 3 and out, it'd be bringing Tebow, right. And that's a lot of pressure.
All right, well, John, thanks for coming in and sharing some of your thoughts and the insight on this. It was an interesting long day that we were all captivated by. Your time right now is 8:09. Let's toss it over to Tara.
Thanks, and we want to hear your thoughts on this. You can call our